What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. This is Layzie Bone Thug by Nature from his album by the same name, man. Y'all know that I fucking loved Layzie Bone the last time I reacted to him, the first time I reacted to him, but I'm confused. It says burna here. Was that his old name when he started out? Not sure, man. Tell me so down in the comments below. Y'all know all the facts from Bone Thugs Harmony, and you guys know that I love y'all. But this one is Thug by Nature, man. You guys have been suggesting this one a lot, and I cannot wait to get into it, man. Y'all know I always love me some Layzie Bone, some Crazy Bone, some Bone Thugs. Anything that comes out of the Bone Thugs in life, Bone Thugs in Harmony catalog, man, is fucking fire. So I can't wait to get into this one, man. But before we do, as always, to get the like, comment, subscribe, share by your friends. Click that button when this upload and recommend a song that comes below. I'm faster than a motherfucker singing in this one, man. Talking. I can't even talk. Goddamn. Calm down, Lee. Calm down. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Click that button when this upload and recommend a song that comes below. This is Layzie Bone Thug by Nature reaction from his album of the same name, burna. Let's get to it.
In the world is this, man? You don't just wake up one morning and just say you thug. That shit unrealistic, man. Be real with the game. That shit got to run.
Hey, I never called myself a thug in my life, man. But hey, whatever you guys say, man. Whatever you want to call me, that's fine by me.
Blood, nigga. Wake up, nigga.
Got that Bone Thug chorus.
Yeah. Get your thug on, nigga. I'm calling my shots just how I see it, believe it. My nigga, I did. Got a few things that's on my mind, so nigga, gon' listen up while I free it. Whatever's needed, I'ma get it. And if I wanna get weeded, I'ma hit it. All of these dramas, niggas, they saying they did it. Little they committed. Niggas is buckling up under pressure, nevertheless, still screaming they thugs. If rap don't work for the number one, I'm packing my heat, selling more drugs. Ain't a damn thing ceasing if my bankroll decreasing. I'm open up shop at the first of the month, and nigga continue my creeping on the come up until I'm done up, dead and gone. You can look at my life and call me bad, but nigga, you read me wrong. And nigga, I be head over heels till I get 50 mil or more. If it's just dough, these niggas wanna kill me for what I refuse to be broke. I'm contemplating murder on the government. Desperado be the model. Hard shit be hard to swallow. Be ready for war if you follow. But 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Soldiers get your paper, nigga. You die if you a hater. Take it from a thug by nature, by nature, nigga. Cause I'm a guy keep the limit chugging, living a life.
Yo, so far so good, man. So far so good. Also, for you guys who are bothered with all the pausing, this is a reaction, man. I gotta give my feedback. If you do not want me to pause in the whole fucking reaction, go down in the description. The original link is there for the original song. Go listen to it and come back here, man, and watch my feedback, man. But so far so good, man. And I just noticed burna. Is that his like alter ego name? Because I know that Crazy Bone has an alter ego called Mr. Leatherface. So maybe that's alter ego, man. But so far so good, man. This song, he sounds Bone Thugs in this one, and he's definitely thugging this one, man. Layzie Bone is definitely fucking talented.
Everybody should know. Number one, when you get your paper, don't go around tricking it off on these hoes. I'm being the thug, ain't nothing easy. Now when you rolling in the bins, everybody be out for your ends. You really don't know who the fuck your friends, and paranoia might overrule you. But live to the future, don't blink. Look away, your shit might sink, nigga, ending up dead or in the clip. And it take a raw dog, motherfucker, stay on top of the pile. Now I got a style and you got a style, but it's the way gon' pull you down, not me. I'm going seeing clouds, that's how I do it. Picture me rolling through a city near you and staying true to it. If you see me in the video, I know you see me at the bar. See my diamonds glistening, shining. You thinking I'm a star, but nigga, by far I'm just a thug. Mental sharper than a razor. Where you wanna go, little leg gon' take you. I'm a thug by nature, by nature.
The flow is incredible.
Cause I'm a thug by nature. Thugging with thugging, living a life with a thug. Real shit, real shit. Thugging with thugging, living a life with a thug. Thugging with thugging, living a life with a thug. Roll, come and roll with me as I take you on a journey through my hood, motherfucker. You can hear the police sirens closing after these niggas that's paper chasing, throwing house parties in the basement. I was doing it in the wasteland, nigga, get down and dirty quickly. Really didn't want to commit that crime. One from my nigga, we had to grind, we had to get down for our crime. Mental mind state of our mind, murdering bitches to say the least. Even though I know it ain't good distress. These wicked streets be the test for all niggas. My niggas, y'all niggas, be ready to ball niggas, ready for warfare when we call niggas. Talking about them raw niggas, throw your fist up, take a chance. Niggas is hustling out here getting it. What you trying to do? I done did it. How you trying to live? I done lived it. I only be fucking around with major moves. Niggas done heard the stories. If your shit ain't tight, then I'll fade you fools. You losing to get the glory straight up and down, nigga. this happen. Niggas be snapping, guaranteed satisfaction, bringing y'all nothing but action. Nigga, this here is what the game made me. Lil Layzie, I'm just a thug and that's the thing to be. Nigga, this here is what the game made me. I'm just a thug and that's the thing to be. Cause I'm a thug, keep the name chugging. Chugging, living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thugging with some thug bugging. Chugging, living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thugging with some thug bugging. Chugging, living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thugging with some thug bugging. Chugging, living a life of a thug. Millennium Dusters, nigga. Yeah, Layzie Bone, nigga. Lil Light.
Hell yeah, man. God damn, man, he's so fucking talented. This fucking instrumental too. Fucking great. Ooh. That's fucking good, man. Get on my face, Layzie. You're too fucking good, man. Whoa, that was great. That was fucking great, man. I love that one. Layzie Bone, definitely one of the most talented in the Bone Thugs and Harmony group. Everybody's fucking talented if they have the name Bone in them, man. There is some truth to that, but not completely truth, man. But these are so underrated, man. Like, most of these have under 100K views, and it's just super, it really disappoints me that this generation, or I guess my generation, doesn't appreciate or know about these songs, man. And I can't help but feel responsible for that. So that's one of the main reasons why I do these reactions and why I react to this music and why I enjoy it so much. I just can't help but feel responsible that we're going downhill with hip-hop, man. We're downgrading hip-hop so much with these mumble rapping and shit. I just can't help but feel responsible for that, and I gotta take action, man. But Layzie Bone, definitely one of the greatest of all time. And this song, man, definitely one of my favorites. Definitely going on the hip-hop list, man. Make sure to go check that playlist out, man. If you enjoy hip-hop, man, I got a hip-hop list, leematias hip-hop list. Make sure to go check it out, man, in the playlist section. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it too, I'm going to in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Click that button for this upload and recommend your song in the comments below. I'm Lee. If it's your first time seeing me, we react to music, we react to WWE and other shit. We react to music reviews. We also do more reviews on the channel, so if you're into all of that, make sure to subscribe, man. It's free and you can always subscribe, man. It's super easy. Really helps the channel out. Show a man some support, man. You know what I'm saying? But thank you guys so much for watching yet again. I love you all. Hope God is with you. And I'll see you in the next video, man. Kudos.